Yeah, hello, good day, everyone. My name is Engineer Rashid Adilo, and this time I will be explaining how to install um, in combo forex secret combo indicator. So that's what I'll be doing at the moment. So right now, uh, what um, first thing, once you receive a mail, you get a package like this 7-in-1 indicator. So what you just have to do is first uh, download WinRAR from the internet. So you go to Google and you download WinRAR. So once you download WinRAR from the internet and you have it on your system, for instance, all you just need to do is just for instance, to download WinRAR, just WinRAR free download. So you see different versions here. So just like this. So once you download it, then already I've had it downloaded. So I don't need to download it again. So all I just need to do is come right here on the folder, you right click and you extract here or you extract files. So let's just click extract here. So automatically it has extracted those files here. So when you open it, you are going to see those files. Right now, actually it's meant to be 7, but what we have here is 1, 2, let's enlarge it, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 whooping secrets, forest secret. Those are indicators that will help us navigate through our trade. So now let's go to the installation now per se. Now, for you to install it, the first thing you have to do is to have your MT4 installed on your system. Right now, I have my MT4 installed on my system. Now, let's assume that after I've installed my system, this is where it will take me to. This is what I'm supposed to have. Yes, something like this. This is something that you are supposed to have you you might have uh, had your MT4 installed on your system. So having said that, the next thing you have to do is um, just to install those indicators one after the other. That's what they have to do. Now, what's the first thing that you're supposed to do? The first thing is go to File. When you get to File, you open, then you go to Open Data folder, then you go to MQL4, then you go to Indicators. So once you click, once you get here, the next thing you have to do is go back to where you extract those files. So this is it. So you now click them one after the other. So the first one is auto trend line. You copy it, Control C, just like I've done here. Once you copy it, then you go back to your indicator files, then you paste it here. After you have pasted it, now the next thing for you to do is go back to the file again, go to the second one, copy it. When you click copy, then you go back to the indicator file again, you paste it again, you paste it here. Then that is how you do for all the symbols, for all those indicators. Now, the only exception now, the same thing, CSM Forex, you see this is the manual for installation. These are some of the notes that are guiding them. This is the installation file, EX4. Just click it and put it on that indicator file too. Now, you may not need to install currency power. I will explain to you later on when I open the whole page. You may not need to install the currency power because with the CSM, it has come with the currency power. So I will explain it in details. Now, the same thing applies to the demand and supply zone. Once you click it, copy it, just like it, and paste it on the indicator file. Now, same thing with this, copy it and paste it on indicator file. This indicator file here is still right open. And to make it easier for you, you can just open the two files. You can just open the two files here. So this is the indicator file. This is the combo file, right? So all you just need to do is just copy from here, paste here. Now go back again, copy from here, paste here, copy from here, paste here. Now, but when you get to this FX vortex, what you just need to do is, once you click on it, you see two things here. You see indicators and you see templates here. So on the indicator side, you copy all the three, you paste on the indicator, right? You just copy all, that's Control A, then you copy, then you come to this indicator, you paste it. So on the second one, which is the template, right? You open it again, you copy all the templates, Control A, which is copy. Then when you come back to this point, you need to go back a bit. When you go back a bit, you go to where you have templates. I'm saying I had to go back, I had to go 2 steps back on that indicator page. So click on the template there. When you click on the template, you paste it here like this, Control A here. That's Control C. Control C here. That's copy. Then you paste here. This is FX vortex. Now, after you have pasted that one, all you just need to do here is just go back. You understand? Just go upward again for you to actually get to, what's it called? Go back. Can you see? You want to get to, what's it called? Want to get to where we have, when you click back, click on MQL4 again, then click on indicator again. So we are back to indicators now. So when you go to multiple trend lines too, do the same thing. For multiple trend lines, just copy everything here. Just do Control A, then you copy, then you paste on the indicator as well. Now, for the symbol changer, copy, just copy, you come to indicator, you paste again. Then for these two, you copy, then you paste here as well. So that's the first part. That is the first part of the configuration. Now going to the second part now, after you might have copied the whole thing, all you need to do is delete it from your system immediately. I mean, the extracted file, you delete it from the system immediately. So what you just need to do is create a secret folder elsewhere, keep it safe for your own personal use. Then after that, now we go back to our MQL here, where we have this. So what we do is we go back to our folder, our MT4 folder. What we just need to do is close that MT4, then close this folder as well. After you might have closed that, so the next thing you have to do is open it again, that MT4, open it again. When you open it again, the next thing for you to do is go to, once you are seeing your page like this, just go to, what's it called? This navigator side. This is the navigator side. With this navigator side, you will see that all those indicators you have rightly installed them here. You have rightly installed all those indicators here. So that's what you would have found there. Now, to now install them one after the other, all you need to do is go to each one and install them. Go to each one and install them. So this is the first part of the installation. So in the second video, we'll show you the second part of the installation and the usage. Thank you very much.